you so much. Amazing evening. Thank you. God bless you all.
We were trying to get you to have us sing that.
Yeah.
Because I heard you.
Come on.
I heard you singing Al Green. So you done started something. You got to keep it up now. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Come on with it.
Sing it song. Come on. Sing.
Come on. Baby, don't you wanna go?
Same old place.
Sweet home Chicago.